Good day to you. Welcome to our channel once again. In today's math tutorial, we want to make r the subject of the formula and then find the value of r by substitution. The original equation is p equals to the square root of qr times 1 plus 3t over r in parentheses. And to make r the subject of the formula, or to transpose it, means we want to solve for r as in normal equation. So the first thing we're going to do is to square both sides in order to take off the square root. When we do, we're going to have p squared on the left, and on the right we're going to be having the square of the expression in the square root. Where the square root and the square cancel out, leaving us with p squared equals to the product qr and 1 plus 3t over r. Distributing qr to the parentheses, we have p squared is equal to qr, that's the product qr and 1, plus 3qt, that's the product of qr and 3t over r. Then we are going to subtract 3qt from both sides, where the left hand side becomes p squared minus 3qt, and the right hand side will be qr. That is, qr is equal to p squared minus 3qt. Dividing both sides by q in order to finally make r the subject of the formula will give us r is equal to p squared minus 3qt over q. R is now the subject of the formula. But then we are given that p is 6 when t is 1 and q is 2. We're going to substitute these values into the transposed equation in order to get the corresponding value of r, where r is going to be the square of 6 minus the product 3, q which is 2, and t which is 1, divided by q, and that's 2. This gives 36 minus 6 over 2, and that's 30 over 2. R is therefore equal to 15. I believe you enjoyed the math tutorial. Please give the video a like, help us to share it, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Click on the notification bell so that you get updates from time to time as our new videos come out. Thank you for watching this video, and have a lovely day. Bye.